Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save money on Amazon Essentials with DealSeek. In order to save money on Amazon Essentials, you need to open any of the web browser that you prefer. And in the top, there's this address bar. Type down dealseek.com and enter it. So once you get into the interface of this DealSeek, what you need to do is in the search bar in the top here, you need to type down Amazon Essentials. You can find all of the deals here on the Amazon's essential t-shirts, jeans, hoodies, socks. You can also browse the dedicated Amazon Essential deal page under the Amazon Essential deals on the deal section. Over here, you can simply go to this filter and you can use the verified deals. You can also use the price range. Here, you can select the price range. You can select this minimum discount here as well. And after that, you can also go to this discount in the top and you can also reset the minimum discount for yourself and select reset here. And you can also go to this discount and you can select the discount that you prefer. And you can also use this promo codes in the top left and you can find the products that you prefer with the promo codes. And that is it. This is how you can save money on Amazon Essentials with DealSeek. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.